Hello guys. Wait. Weird.
Meron ng 3,000 subscriber.
What thing? I think is this a freak maki? Nagre-record ka?
Well, alam mo, wala akong naiintindihan.
Alam ko yung pas... Ano? Boss parang pangalan ko. What's happening here? That's Among Us. There's Among Us here. I mean my model. I have Among Us here. He's like an NPC. He's so see. What is that? I delete that. What is that spawning? There's a monster. Pony. Yes, Kamigo. I really miss you. I miss you. I think
Kailan niya?
it's over. In your heart. Kamigo, where are you? I'm Makok. Don't come.
Ano sila? Mga 3,000
What is that sound? Hey, killer.
mga
Ana Amangas.
emoji.
Hala Amang Kinigamega. This is the game and you can drive in this boat. What is a creepy sound? This is the starter, your starter island, and you can wait. Okay. Bro, my boat is crashing. No.
Namatay.
Is this a map? What is this? What is this? A spring fruit. Yeah! I got a spring fruit. Oh, gum. What are you getting? What is that? What is this? It's a dragon! Yeah! So, what is that NPC? Pirate Gym. Oh, wait. Where is the cow? Oh, so more fruits here. Okay. Collect all fruit. This one. Let's get this. Oh my god, I'm trapped. Okay. Nanas. Making a Betty cake. I have a Betty cake to tear. What is that? Is that a new fruit?
Wow! Sabi niya lang, Milo, it's good.
Wait. like a slime flip. What is this random game? Yeah, prank line ni naman ninyo ni Miani Minim no.
Papabili na ako ng
Next game. This one. Ay, kaya to. Mimi kami naman ninyo. Choy.
ilan na po subscriber niya ngayon? 3.3?
Is this okay?
Tapos nakalagay ice cream.
Okay.
Ano yun? Rasha pa? Yung malabang rasha?
I think no employee here. No wait. That is the ACP. No, wait. Excuse me. No, wait, it grind. Wait. Okay, she's trapped. Oh my god, he's coming to me. No. Yaman na pani. Chimani. Bro, I trapped him. Maingay. Huwag kayo mag-subscribe. Don't subscribe in Anti-Fury. No, don't subscribe at SML Gamir.
Sa ilaw ko siya kinakisi. Kaya sa ilaw ko. Pistaw. Kaya alam niya sa ilaw.
Kapag papasukan mo, monster. Kinain ka. This is his profile. Add him. Goodbye. Bye.